Tie ball game. 37 all. He beat for 3. No. Rebound for Densier na yan. Binigay kanina. To Hidok na yan. Alangan, hindi pa tumalbog yung bola. Okay lang kung tumalbog na sana. Na. Uy. May kubra. Here we go. Golyama. Pull up jumper. No. Rebound for. Naku. Nice. There we go. Yes. Nice bomb by Hidok. Simpleng bomba lang. Balik sa Kalamangan. Inside. Dipano. Yeah. Didlock tayo. 39 all. Here we go. Hibaga. Aim for 3. Yeah. 3-point for Hibaga is brought to you by Congressman Wowo Fortes of 2nd District. Wow. Nice block. Ito, 3-on-1. Ersa Hidok, 2 points for Hidok.